A culinary clash. Thailand versus India. The flavor fiesta. Welcome to the ultimate foodie face-off. Today, we're diving into the vibrant cuisines of Thailand and India. Buckle up for some spicy similarities and a couple of differences that'll tickle your taste buds. Similarity number 1. Spice is nice. Both Thai and Indian cuisine love to play with spices. Whether it's a fiery curry from India or a zesty tom yum soup from Thailand, if you're not sweating, are you even eating? Similarity number 2. Rice is life. In both countries, rice is the star of the show. You can't throw a coconut without hitting a Thai or Indian meal that doesn't involve a generous serving of rice. It's the ultimate sidekick. Similarity number 3. Street food. Heaven. Both Thailand and India boast street food that will make you swoon. From the bustling stalls in Bangkok serving pad Thai to the chats of Mumbai, getting food from the streets is basically a culinary adventure park. Did you know? Chili challenge. In Thailand, the spiciness of food is often determined by the number of chilies you can handle. They say if you can eat a dish without sweating or crying, you're not doing it right. On the other hand, in India, the spice level is gauged by how many times you can say, "It's too spicy," before reaching for the yogurt. Did you know? Dosa dilemma. In India, dosas can be as big as a small child, while in Thailand, a plate of pad Thai can come with enough ingredients to feed a small army. But be warned, if you order both, you might end up in a culinary contest that no one actually wanted to win. Did you know mystical mango sticky rice? In Thailand, mango sticky rice is a magical dessert that has the power to make you forget your troubles. In India, however, you've got the mystical power of the unexpected. Like biting into a sweet, only to discover it's filled with chili. It's all fun and games until your taste buds go on an adventure of their own.
Similarity number 4. Curries galore. Who doesn't love a good curry? Whether it's the creamy butter chicken from India or a coconut curry from Thailand, both cuisines have mastered the art of making us crave more after just one bite. Similarity number 5. Fresh ingredients rule. Fresh herbs and ingredients are the backbone of both Thai and Indian dishes. From basil to coriander, it's about keeping the flavors fresh and vibrant. Who needs frozen food when you have Mother Nature on your team? Similarity number 6: chutneys and sauces. Each cuisine loves its dips. Be it spicy salsa in Thailand or tangy chutney in India, these condiments elevate every meal. It's basically like the seasoning whispering, "Don't forget me." Similarity number 7: dine with a crowd. Both Thai and Indian meals are best enjoyed family style. The more, the merrier. Gather your friends and dive into a feast that looks like a colorful explosion on your table. Similarity number 8: sweet tooth satisfaction. Both cuisines have their sweet endings. From Thai mango sticky rice to Indian gulab jamun, dessert is never an afterthought. It's the glorious cherry on top of our foodie journey. Difference number 1: coconut chaos versus dairy delight. While Thailand loves to embrace coconut milk like a warm hug, India often leans on dairy products like ghee and yogurt. So, whether you're coconutty or milky, adjust your taste buds accordingly. Difference number 2: plate presentation showdown. When it comes to plating, Indian food goes for the grand feast approach, a colorful spread that looks like a festival on a plate. Meanwhile, Thai dishes are the Zen masters of minimalism, presenting food with the grace of a spa day. One says, "More is more," while the other whispers, "Less is a serene blessing." So, prepare your eyes for a culinary showdown. Indian style is all about flair, while Thai style is all about calm sophistication. So there you have it. A deliciously light-hearted look at the similarities and differences between two of the most beloved cuisines in the world. Whether you're Team Pad Thai or Team Paneer, remember, good food is all about bringing people together. We hope you discover something interesting today about a culinary clash, Thailand versus India.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.